It appears that the truck was no longer adequately equipped for the ascent, so it jettisoned its front axle, much like a lizard discards its tail when it is no longer needed. While ascending onto the flatbed trailer, the truck inadvertently startled the individual below, resulting in a moment of genuine alarm. The vehicle seemingly experienced a sudden loss of braking power, which forced the driver to relinquish control as stopping was not a viable option. The operator of this erratic black vehicle on the highway may have been involved in unlawful behavior or possibly operating under the influence of substances. While examining his tire, the individual detected a bulge that required immediate action due to the potential risk of tire failure. The roller reversed with such significant force that its wheel nearly made contact with the excavator. The truck appeared to be operating under considerable time constraints, as evidenced by its refusal to delay even momentarily. The stack of bricks became dislodged when the truck abruptly altered its course. Following a minor mishap during a dirt dumping operation, the hydraulic arm of the self-dumping truck became misaligned, bending approximately 90 degrees. It is worth considering whether the rear-end collision was deliberate or accidental. Please share your insights. The vehicle not only veered into the ditch, but did so with a level of commitment that suggests a high-risk maneuver, as though it had accepted its new predicament. Landslides on mountain roads are extremely hazardous. In one instance, an excavator was completely displaced, underscoring the severity of such events. Although the truck experienced a fire near its gas tank on the roadway, prompt intervention by local residents using fire extinguishers prevented further damage, demonstrating the critical role of community responsiveness. Fortunately, the yellow truck was only partially in the ditch, and the timely intervention of a wheel loader facilitated a successful rescue operation, illustrating effective emergency response in practice. The operator neglected to engage the parking brake when parking his pickup truck, ultimately resulting in the vehicle coming to rest in an unintended location, a ditch. This is a common error in parking procedures, specifically the failure to engage the parking brake. it is advisable to adhere to traffic signals. Disregarding a red light may lead to significant consequences. The individual wearing the black shirt demonstrated commendable ingenuity in successfully salvaging the vehicle. The driver exhibited notably prompt and admirable reflexes during the incident. Although the black car ahead improperly crossed the lane boundary and executed an ill-advised turn, it remains essential to reduce speed when navigating sharp bends. Overloading a truck can create hazardous conditions, as evidenced by the sudden braking incident in this case. The black vehicle narrowly avoided a dangerous situation and fortunately remained undamaged, underscoring the importance of defensive driving. The tire's cover appears to be showing signs of impending failure, suggesting that it may soon detach under continued stress. This situation demonstrates the effectiveness of collective effort, as individuals collaborated to extricate the concrete mixer truck, clearly illustrating the benefits of teamwork. A prompt and decisive response can be the critical factor that distinguishes a safe journey from a potentially perilous one. While navigating the mountain pass, the bus encountered a sudden landslide that nearly led to a catastrophic plunge into a deep ravine. Prompt intervention by bystanders and rescue services ensured a safe recovery, emphasizing the value of community solidarity and rapid emergency response. The narrow, precarious mountain pass, with its steep cliffs and sharp curves, presents a significant challenge for long buses, requiring exceptional skill and composure to negotiate each maneuver safely. This scenario clearly demonstrates that precision, perseverance, and expertise are essential in difficult terrain. Prioritizing safety not only protects us individually, but also ensures the well-being of everyone around us, highlighting the importance of cautious progress. Due to the instability of the dirt road, the sand-laden truck tipped onto its side despite corrective efforts. A team of excavators had to reduce its load and right the vehicle, transforming a brief trip into a prolonged operation. Heavily loaded with logs, the truck navigated the slippery incline with remarkable persistence. Although it experienced some sliding, it steadily advanced, demonstrating both resilience and determination under challenging conditions. The truck is precariously positioned, exhibiting an instability that could lead to a significant incident if not promptly addressed. The motorcyclist engaged in a risky maneuver but narrowly avoided a collision with a tanker truck through timely, evasive action. The driver of the white car appeared to be momentarily impaired by glare upon exiting the parking garage, resulting in a disorienting situation. The truck driver encountered an unexpected halt at a toll booth when an object fell onto the gas pedal, necessitating an immediate stop. The homeowner may need to reevaluate the roof design, as this is not the first instance of a truck making contact with it. The truck was caught off guard when an electric bike passed by rapidly, prompting an abrupt braking response. The wet conditions contributed to a loss of traction, leading to an unintended slide. The wheel loader is immobilized and will require substantial force to be extricated from its current position. The method used to transfer steel coils between trucks appears unsafe, highlighting the critical importance of adhering to established safety protocols.